is Missouri Senator Josh Hawley. Senator, thanks so much. You've been all over this rule change. What does it mean to you? What will it mean for users of Twitter or other social media and what they can share?
Well, I promise you what it won't mean, and the people whose privacy won't be protected are normal Americans who want to express their views, particularly if they have conservative views. I promise you that their privacy won't be respected. They'll still get censored. They'll still get tracked around. Let's just remember what Twitter does, by the way, how they make their money. They track us around the web everywhere we go. They collect a dossier on us. They sell our information. They profit off of us. I promise you they're not going to stop doing any of that stuff. And at the end of the day, Pete, here's the deal. The last thing America needs is another big tech robber baron who doesn't care anything for free speech, and that's exactly what Twitter's giving us.
But aren't they just saying out loud what we've known all along, whether it's, critical race theory in the classroom called diversity, equity, inclusion, and we talk about the groups that are marginalized and therefore need different protections than everybody else. So if a certain person points a camera at somebody, that's different than another certain person, and it all depends on your sexual orientation or your gender or your race. They're just saying exactly what we know they've been doing all along.
Well, and that's exactly right. And it's the classic what's become the rule of the left, which is rules for thee, but not for me. They don't follow their own standards. They never do. Here's the other thing about Twitter. It doesn't really matter what they write down. They don't follow any of the rules anyway.
That's right.
They just make it up as they go along. And the worst part is you can't go to court to enforce it. Currently, Twitter has immunity. So if they violate their terms of service as to you, there's nothing you can do about it. We should change that. You should be able to go and sue in court. And the other thing we ought to do, Pete, is we ought to break them up.